environmentally aware developers are embracing food waste management as an essential element of sustainable home design. Today's home buyers want to make a change and are becoming aware that from green shoots to the kitchen table, all of our food comes from the land around us. But what about the leftovers? The food we don't eat and leave behind? We just can't let it go to landfill. Introducing the Harp Home Composting System that turns your waste into a compost-rich fertilizer for homes and gardens. Powered by our own blend of Harp microbes, this machine not only turns kitchen food waste into compost, but also reduces kitchen food waste by up to 80%, saving homeowners money on waste collection and diverting food waste away from landfill, and in turn saving the environment from harmful greenhouse gas emissions from compost production. By including kitchen food waste management into clever home design, developers and home builders can provide a new and exciting element to sustainable living. Your customers will enjoy the benefits of converting their food scraps into a valuable garden enrichment product they can use, gift to friends, or donate to their local community garden. Lower body corporate fees by saving on waste management fees, eliminating odour from communal waste bins, and reduction of garbage truck noise due to less trucks required, enhancing communal living. Your homes and apartments will be seen as a leader in the movement to sustainable living, so why not join the movement to reduce household food waste and invest in the future while protecting the environment and be at the forefront of adding important organic nutrients to the soil? Contact Harp today for an obligation-free discussion about integrating our Harp Home Composter into your developments and become a leader in the movement to sustainable, greener living.